Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the country or region on your Apple Store using phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and tap on Settings app. That's the gray icon with gears. At the very top of your settings page, tap on the name and profile picture to your Apple ID settings. Now tap on Media and Purchase. A small pop-up will appear. Tap View Account. If asked, sign in with your Apple ID password or Face ID. Once you're in your account settings, tap country or region, then tap the change country or region. A list of countries will appear. Scroll and tap the country you want to switch. For example, if you move to Canada, select Canada. You will see the terms and conditions. Tap agree, then you will need to enter a valid payment method and billing address for that country. Fill it in and tap next, and that's it. Your Apple Store is now set to the new country and you will see apps and content available there. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.